Hello everyone, it's Gigi and welcome to Saturday Morning Makes with Jill Norwood. This is episode 15 for me and happy Sunday. First, I want to ask y'all for prayers. My sister came home from a cruise with my parents and she came in the door. She wasn't feeling well and I said, "Do you have COVID?" "I don't know." And I had asked her before she got home to text me on her way 3 hours before, because I was dog sitting, guys, and so I could go home, but she didn't because she fell asleep and she failed to tell me that she wasn't feeling well. Well, she got home and we tested her at home and she was positive for COVID. So I came into contact with COVID, so I'm quarantined. So my parents are quarantined. So prayers for me, my husband, my family, and my sister would be greatly appreciated. So, with that done, on to fun stuff. So while I was at my parents', I'm very limited on what I can do over there, but I did bring stuff to make Father's Day cards for my dad and my husband. And then the rest I did was just coloring. So first I want to share what I did for my Father's Day. I made my husband's and my dad's identical pretty much. I mean, almost identical. And then I did coloring. So let me share with you what I used first, projects. So, or supplies, I should say. So I used the Craft and Desert Divas, and these are called Troll Wars. I've never used them before, and my husband and my dad, especially my dad, loves Star Wars. And Craft and Desert Divas aren't around anymore, but I pulled these out and I was like, you know what, I'm going to use these guys. And I did a lot of coloring and used these and used my Copics. I used some of my chalks for cheeks. I used this tool for my ink blending. I used some Canson Bristol Smooth for my ink blending. I used my Tim Holtz Distress Sprayer. I actually just sprayed it in my hand and I flicked because I find I get better results. And so I wanted to make a galaxy background. And what I used when I made it, I used chipped sapphire distress oxide, I used black soot distress oxide, and I used picked raspberry distress oxide. And I know people use all different kinds of colors or whatever, but that's what I chose to use. And just let me say that it's not so easy making a galaxy background. So I had to make two, like I said. I ended up making three. One I trashed, but the other two came out great, I thought. And so I'm gonna share. And this is what I made, and I did slim lines. And here it is. So for all you Star Wars lovers, I hope you like it. I'm not gonna open it up because I already wrote in it my honey dear love letter inside. And so I hope you guys like it. So that was that. And for these next ones, I just colored. Because like I said, I was at my parents' house sitting, dog sitting for my sister while they were on the cruise. And so what I'm going to do different is I'm going to show you all the stamps I used. I did Copic coloring, and then I used these chalks for my cheeks. So I did nothing but magnolias. I used Handy Tilda. I used Barbecue Party Tilda, and I'm sorry I'm shaking today, guys. I used Tilda and Key Largo. My pain level's up today. I used Peachy Tilda. I used, I don't know how to say this, Tiv Tilda. So cute. And then I used Tilda with roller pen. This is one of the older ones. Okay. Now let me show you how they came out. So here's the first one. I'm gonna hold it with both hands because, like I said, I'm shaking. So I hope y'all can see that good. And then here was the second. And I just love this one. I love them all, but not really happy with this one, but I love this one. This was my first redhead. It's the first time I ever did red hair. I think another one was redheaded, but that was my first one that I did red hair on, and then I tried it again on her. So, and then this was my last one. So I thank y'all for stopping by, and I love all of your comments. Y'all are so kind to me. I love you guys. Thanks for watching, and thank you for your prayers and good thoughts, good vibes. Thank you so much. Goodbye.